list ba tayo?
Well, kanina you mentioned all the the invited guests, no?
And who are those invited guests that were not present today?
Siguro, can you kindly check dun sa invitation natin? We have invited the City Mayor of San Fernando, si Mayor Vilma Caluwag. Present po
Nandito.
si Mayor. Si Vice Mayor. Have we invited the Vice Mayor as well? And the councilors are andito rin po. Andito rin. So, yung ating pong municipal mayor ng Arayat was also invited. Si Maria Lourdes Alejandrino. Andito ba? Yun, wala.
Wala. Have we, Mr. Chairman, have we received an excuse letter coming from the mayor of...
Have we received an excuse letter coming from Mayor of Arayat and Mayor of Mabalacat? Andito ba Mayor ng... Have we invited the Mayor of Mabalacat? Yes or... Hindi ata, no? No, we did not invite. Andito ba siya? Representative. Okay, sige. Can you kindly sit down? Upo po kayo dyan sa, please. Yung sa Mabalacat, yung representative. Can you kindly state your name and your position sa Mabalacat po?
I am Attorney Francis D. Maliwat po. I am the City Legal Officer of the City of Mabalacat.
Thank you so much po. Okay,
Chairman.
so, sige, Chairman Paduano, please.
So, your attorney, so you're officially, attorney, so officially were assigned by the mayor
Yes, Your Honor. I
As-
was instructed by...
as what? His
As,
council or as city legal? Municipal legal?
City Legal po.
City legal. So, you have the full authority.
Yes, sir.
And if we ask question with regards to questions that should be addressed to the mayor, can you answer all the questions that we will ask?
If I am not a privy to the issue, Your Honor, I cannot answer them.
Yun ang problema. Why the mayor is not present today?
He has similar engagement of equal importance, Your
And
Honor.
what is that similar, equally important?
I was
schedule?
told his time to serve the constituents in Mabalacat
Ay, may
City.
problema ka, attorney. That is not acceptable. Because everyone, lahat po ng mga mayors, and that includes us, we have also to serve our constituents.
I
Diba?
will relay that.
Kung kailangan 24/7 din. But of course, in this hearing, nandito po kami, iniwan namin yung mga district namin, yung mga provinces namin, sa mga cities namin because this is more important. With that, Mr. Chairman, may I move that we issue a show cause order for the Mayor of Mabalacat for being absent in today's hearing? Because
So-
the reason that's stated by his lawyer as the city legal counsel, a city legal officer, is not valid with regards to this representation.
There's a motion to issue a show cause order to the Mayor of City of Mabalacat. Duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing and the said motion is now approved. The COMSEC is hereby directed to issue a show cause order. Okay.
Chairman, yung isa pang mayor na wala.
Municipality of Arayat, meron bang tayong tinanggap na reason for her absence? Si Mayor Lourdes Alejandrino. We can ask the nagsabi po ba sila, Congressman Dong Gonzales?
They send the invitation to the mayor, and I don't know, Comsec, is she responded ba?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We did not receive any excuse letter from Mayor Maria Lourdes Alejandrino.
Siguro, Chairman Paduano?
At the
Same motion.
Mr. Chairman, unless officially that communication for the mayor for this invitation to this hearing was not received, may we also move, Mr. Chairman, to issue a cause order for
So,
the mayor
Yeah.
that was mentioned by
So
the COMSEC.
there's another motion to issue a show cause order to the Mayor of Municipality of Arayat.